Okay, your pushing and folding issue was resolved. Your tips are really badly rubbed out. We'll send you the before and after photos immediately. Also, please do not put your scissors directly on a hard surface. The tips are the first thing to go. Also, don't put them in a cramped case. And another thing, don't use those straw scissor containers, those scissor holders. For one thing, they're super unhygienic, and also the tips are the first to go when you rest them and squeeze them between those straws on their tips. Also, it's even worse for thinners. What it does is it forces the cutting teeth from, let's say, a 27 tooth thinner into the opposite only cutting blade. And what do you wind up with? You wind up with 27 matching identical nicks in the only cutting blade of your thinners, notchers, texturizers, blenders, whatever configuration.